Hey everybody, my name is Carrie. My husband Dale and I are the creators of the From Seed to Spoon mobile app, and I just wanted to take a few minutes today to answer a common question that we get a lot of, which is how do I change the customized dates that are in the app? So whenever you first pull up the app and you go over here to a plant, just pull up one of these plants. And down here, if you notice that one of these dates are off or going off of a frost date that you don't feel is accurate for your area, you can go down here and use the set custom frost dates. And whenever you select it, you can now enter whatever you want to, and then it will recalculate out your dates for right here. So as you see, my dates changed since I changed the frost dates. So let me know if you have any questions about that.